Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and you are here because you're looking for a way to make money online in 2020. What I'm going to cover in this video is some different ways that you can make money online, and then I'm going to talk about my preferred way. All right, so some different ways to make money online. First of all, we have affiliate marketing. We have network marketing or multi-level marketing. There's coaching, trading, blogging, podcast sponsorships, e-commerce, selling goods and services, and freelancing. And I'm just going to touch on a few of these. So affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways of earning some income online. There's different types of affiliate marketing, but straight up affiliate marketing is very simple. It's literally you have a product that someone else created, and you are the affiliate. You are the one that is taking that product and going out and sharing it with other people. Now, typically, affiliate marketing pays you. I mean, this depends on what the person that created the product wants to pay you, but you can earn very good commissions from selling products that other people created, from sharing products that other people created. Straight up affiliate marketing is you sell a product, you get a commission. Now there are like hybrids where you can get like a second tier commission. So let's say you share a product, they purchase it, John purchases it, John goes and shares a product, and because you referred John, when he refers Jane, you get a percentage of what that product was sold for. Okay, so that's kind of a two-tier, but it doesn't really go beyond that. But I do like affiliate marketing a lot just because you don't have to create the product. It's actually very simple to do. You just have to learn how to share it, put it in front of your target market or people that would want the product. It would help solve their problem. And it could be anything. For example, Amazon has an affiliate program. You go to Amazon and you could become an affiliate, and when people buy whatever products you put out there, then you get a percentage. Now, Amazon doesn't pay very well, but that is an example. ClickBank is another opportunity when it comes to affiliate products. So you can go, it's free. You could actually go and select a product and go and market that product. And JVZoo is another place where there's a lot of different products you can select from that you can go and market and make commissions from. Now, there's all kinds of different affiliate products. I do have a link below if you click on marketing system. Actually, there's a number of links below. Those are all affiliate products. Those are all affiliate programs, okay? Network marketing, multi-level marketing. Now, this is so I like affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing, what's great about multi-level marketing is kind of like affiliate marketing. You didn't create the product, but you are the marketing arm, you are the sales arm of the company. And what you do is you share the product or products, they usually have products, with other people that could use those products. And when they come on board and they become a customer, you get a commission. And this can happen throughout many different levels. That's why it's called multi-level marketing. And you usually have customers, and then they usually have a business building side of it where you can become like a business owner. And now you have a team of customers, you have a team of business owners, and you could start earning more and more from other people's time, other people's efforts, and create residual income, create a very significant income. So that is very, very possible. Now, the other thing on this list is blogging. I'm just talking about what I do. Blogging, trading, okay? Now, what I'm going to get into this now. I'm going to move over to the next slide. I'm going to talk about what I like to do, okay? What I'm doing, why I recommend this. So first of all, I want something where the price is very affordable. I want people to not be hung up on the price and go, oh, well, it's just too expensive for me to get started. So you want something that's very affordable. So in this case, this is less than $100 to get started, right? Less than $100. And the path to becoming having it be free. So once you pay the $99, the path to it becoming free is very simple. It's literally refer 3 people, and now you have a free membership. So that puts people, like, they don't have to pay anymore. So it's very affordable. $99. You refer 3, you get it for free. And I'm going to talk more about that in the next slide. But it's built to help you earn. And what I mean by that is you benefit from others going out and sharing as well, going out and doing the marketing and the selling as well. So there's leverage built into that, and I'll go deeper into that. I'm going to show you some actual numbers in just a minute here. The product, and this is perfect for what's going on in the world right now. The product teaches you how to earn an additional income, an alternate income, and in this case, it's trading. Okay, so the product within this program is actual trading, teaching you how to do forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, stock market. There's a few other things as well, but the main focus is on forex trading, and it's forex education. So you're going to learn a skill that could pay you extremely well once you learn that skill. And actually, within what I'm sharing with you here, you're going to learn multiple skills. You're going to learn the skill of selling. You're going to learn the skill of marketing, and you're going to learn the skill of trading. So selling is the number one profession, the number one earning profession, the highest paid profession when you learn it, right? When you become good at it. Marketing, obviously, you need for everything. Doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're a musician, you need to know how to market so you can get your product in front of people. If you are an artist, you need to know how to market so you can get your product in front of people. If you're selling cars, you need to learn how to market so you get your product in front of people. You see where I'm going here? So when you learn these skills, they pay the bills, like they free you, basically. And that's what you learn with this program. With the next one there is our powerful team. Our powerful team. And the fact is, you don't have access to just one powerful team. You get access to 3 different teams, powerful marketers that know what they're doing, that have success. In fact, 2 of the teams, 2 of them that you get access to, their resources, one is already doing 6 figures a month, just in the company itself that I'm talking about, 6 figures a month. Obviously, income disclaimer, not everybody's going to be able to do that. It takes skill, it takes work. You got to have a work ethic. You got to show up every day. You got to take the time to learn the skill, all that, right? But it's doable. The other guy is knocking on the door of 6 figures a month, and he's still in his 20s. And that does not include the income they are making from the product, which is trading. And I'm going to go back to that in just a second. Okay, the other guy is doing 5 figures a month. We're not talking, $10,000. We're talking higher than that, and he'll be up there soon too. So you get access to people that know exactly what they're doing and how to do it, and they're sharing with you what it is they do. So not only are you learning from the product itself how to go out and trade and basically earn income on demand. Of course, there's a learning curve. Of course, you could lose. There's no guarantees, right? There's no guarantees. But what I love about this program is they teach you what to do, how to do it, and they do live trading sessions, where you can actually go sit in and trade right along with the experts, and they tell you exactly what to do. So as you're learning the skill, you still are in a position where you could be earning. Okay, so that's really powerful to have that. That's just another way to create some income that doesn't even have to cost you a lot of money to start doing. And then timing. The timing is important. Timing definitely makes it easier. When people are excited about something like they are right now about this particular program, and with what's going on in the world, where there are more people than ever at home and more and more people are without jobs now and looking for a way to create more income from the comfort of their home. Like, they have to. They don't have a choice. There's no real jobs out there right now. Like, no one's really hiring right now, except for like really low wage jobs. So the timing right now is the time. Right now is the time to really decide to learn a skill or skills that will pay for you. So that's really powerful. All right, let me just go to the next slide. And we're going to talk numbers. Let's talk numbers, okay? Now remember, I told you we have access to 3 powerful teams. Now I also have my own group as well, my own team where I provide recorded training. I provide live training as well, where I teach you basic skills that produce income, that produce results for you. Okay, so you get that as well, but I didn't lump that into the 3 powerful teams. So let's look at these numbers. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to refer 3 people. You want to refer 3 customers to get the Forex education. That's what our product is. So you go out, and there's countless people right now that want to make more money, that need to make more money, and you just go share what we have. And we have tools to do that. We have videos that were created by our powerful teams, many different systems, okay? And once you refer 3, you have a free membership. So remember, I told you it starts less than $100. Less than $100, you have a free membership after 3 people. Now, also, once you refer 3 people, what that does is that unlocks the compensation plan so you can start earning. And I'm just going to go kind of fast, but you can kind of see the numbers right here on the screen. So we have different ranks, and the ranks have different names. I'm not going to go over the names right now, but I'm just going to say ranks. Okay, ranks are different levels, whatever you want to call them, different achievements, different goals, whatever you want to call it. But rank 2, all you need is 10 people, just 10 people. Now, I want you to understand this. This is not 10 customers. This is not 10 customers that you referred yourself, that you had to go refer yourself. It doesn't have to be just you. This could be 10 people, like you have to get your 3, but this could be 10 people that come from the people that you were. So like if you have your 3 people and they each go get 3 people each, that's going to give you, 9 people, right? No, 12 people. I'm sorry, 12 people. And now you're at $500 monthly. $500 monthly residual income. Just like that, 10 people. Okay, now it took me 7 days to get there, to do that. 7 days, okay? $500 for many families, I know, is a big deal. I know that will help with a car payment. That will help with a mortgage payment. That will help you save up for a vacation. That will put more food on the table, That's pretty significant, just having that extra 500 coming in. And truthfully, that's a very minimal requirement to just have 10 people, okay? Let's go to rank 3. Rank 3 is you need 25. You need to refer 25 customers. And again, you don't have to do this on your own. Again, you get help from the people that you refer, and then they refer, and so forth. And then from there up, we keep going up. 75 for $2,000 monthly, 250 for $5,000 monthly. Again, you don't need to refer all those people. What happens is, as you bring in people, you refer customers, they're going to go out and refer customers. And that is how you will grow and move through these ranks, okay? Now, some people, they go through them very fast. We have one guy that in 4 months went to $100,000 monthly. That doesn't happen all the time, okay? High skill level. So the potential for earnings is through the roof. It really just depends on what you want to do, whether that's 500 monthly, whether that's a free membership and you just want to learn how to trade, and do that. There's all kinds of opportunity here, as you can see from the numbers. I'm not going to go through all the numbers, but I will say this, okay? I will say this because I've been in this industry for about 8 years, and I have a good idea of what other companies require for you to earn a six-figure income. I'm just putting this out there. Many are not 5,000, not a team of 5,000. Many are like 500,000. You know, you got to have a very, 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 very large team. So what's beautiful about this is it's very attainable. And again, remember, you don't have to do this all on your own. You get rewarded, and there's more information. Like when you click the link below this video, that's going to take you to a page where you want to put in your email, your name and your email, and then that's going to open up to another page that has 3 videos. Currently it has 3 videos. That could change in the future. What you want to do is you want to watch all 3 videos, and that's going to break down what I'm talking about here. It's going to go over the details. And then if you see an opportunity, there's a button you click, and that will take you right into the opportunity. And once you do that, you will get access to our 3 powerful teams. You will get their resources, and you will get access to the resources that I provide, the recorded training, the live training. So you have every opportunity for a very minimal cost to go and create very significant income for you and your family, for your community, for your country, you know, for whatever cause you want to do. I mean, you want to build water wells, you know, or feed the homeless, or whatever it is you want to do. Maybe you just want extra income to take a little bit of the financial stress off your life. Maybe you just want to be able to pay off some credit card bills. Maybe you want to be able to save up for a vacation. Perhaps you want to pay off that car. You want to buy a new car. Maybe you need a car, you know. So the opportunity is here. I discovered how to make money online back in 2012. And in 2010, I was laid off from my teaching job. So I was a full-time credentialed teacher, and I was laid off, and I didn't know what I was going to do. I was completely lost. I was in limbo. There were no more teaching jobs available anywhere. Like there were none. I had no opportunity to go into teaching. My only opportunities were very low wage jobs. So after 2 years of being on unemployment, so I know like a lot of people right now are getting on unemployment. After 2 years, I was introduced to this industry, and at the time, I didn't want anything to do with it. I didn't understand it. I thought there was something wrong. I was embarrassed. But now, 8 years later, it's been a tremendous blessing. I haven't had to go work a job since 2013. And, you know, I just love it. I love the fact that I can earn an income from the comfort of my home. I love the fact that the community that we're a part of is so positive and really focused on getting better, really focused on improving people's lives. And in closing, that's really what it's about. You know, it's about helping your fellow man, helping your fellow woman step into their full potential and having an actual opportunity to get ahead. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna close this one out. Go ahead, click the link right below to get some information. Any of the links actually will take you to opportunities you can earn from. So with that, make it a great day. See you next time.